To begin with, step back and assess the tree's current shape and what needs to change. Select a shape, perhaps oval or rectangular, and also decide on the final height. Keep in mind that trees tend to grow towards the sun, so one side might need more pruning than another. Check the tree for pests and disease. In citrus varieties like this mandarin tree, look for common things like gall wasp, scale and powdery mildew. Next, you want to select the right saw for the type and size of the tree. Established trees will need a Ryobi 36V brushless 14-inch chainsaw, while tall trees might need a Ryobi 36V pole saw and hedge trimmer. Once you've chosen the right tool, grab your selected saw and sterilise your blades with a white spirit to make sure there's no disease. As a general rule, cut the thicker branches first. It's a good idea to always step back regularly to assess the shape of the tree. To ensure a clean cut, use the saw to place a small cut at the bottom of the branch before you start cutting from the top. This will prevent the cambium layer of the tree from tearing when the branch falls. On larger branches, use prune to seal the cut and help prevent disease. Finally, consider the airflow within the tree. If it's too compact, it's more likely to have issues with disease, so thin out the smaller branches inside the tree if needed. Trim your tree to your desired height and shape by using your Ryobi 36V pole saw and hedge trimmer. Now it's time to step back one last time and admire your handiwork. It's amazing what you and Ryobi can do.